Welcome back to the X Factor, where the competition has become a family affair.
What's your name?
We're take two, because, like, why take one when you can take two? Hey.
What shall we call you as a whole?
Together, we're Leo, and we are all sisters.
Oh, my God.
Your poor father. Sisters?
Twins.
How old are you?
21. Copycat.
And hoping a little brotherly love will go a long way is our next act.
I'm Shotton. I'm 18.
I'm McKieran. I'm 16.
I'm Tazen. I'm 17. And we are
Brothers 3. About 5 years ago, we formed our band. It was actually Mum's birthday present. So the first song we sang was Happy Birthday.
How's that band?
Yeah. Don't stuff up.
I'm definitely the musical director of the band.
McKieran seems to think he's the...
McKieran knows he's...
Yeah, he thinks... No, he thinks.
I'm the youngest, and I'm definitely the most bossy. Change the name. Shotton is the guy who sings and gets picked on. He's got a very small attention span. He's like the goldfish of the band.
He literally is.
Hazen is like Tarzan.
I'm splitting. I'm the simple one. This is a sausage roll.
He's not adopted. So, yeah.
Oh, okay. Forget about me.
I said you're not adopted. Right. Mum was a performer, and Dad was.
Are you feeling nervous?
Good, nervous.
Good.
You're nervous?
Relax.
Think about Mudgee. Big support group, Mudgee.
We grew up on a farm. On the farm, we have no electricity or running water. So we filled all our time with music.
Music was our entertainment.
Even to this day, we still write about our farm because it's just our inspiration. X Factor!
We like to think we're entertainers. It's our dream to just send our music out to the world.
Exactly.
And we're bringing the audience into our act.
We have brothers 3.
I'll just double check that.
Let's do this, guys.
We all love music.
I tried to do a shake of the mic and I'm like, no, didn't.
And we want to give the audience the best time they have.
You bought your fan club today.
Hi, guys. We see you.
Tell us a little bit about yourselves.
Okay, so we're Brothers 3. I'm McKieran, I'm 16.
I'm Tazen, I'm 17. Yeah, and I'm Shotton, I'm 18. Yeah, his nickname is Tarzan. King of the jungle.
We've got Brothers 3's family here. How do you feel about seeing them on stage like this?
Nervous.
Nervous?
We're very nervous. We think you should rename it from X Factor to Stress Factor.
The stress factor.
So tell us a little bit about your style.
Okay, so we're primarily a country band, and we like to take all these like modern pop, rock, and like to kind of put that country twist on it.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't wait to hear it. What are you going to sing for us today?
We're going to sing a song from one of our favourite movies, The Hunger Games, and this is Taylor Swift's Safe and Sound.
Oh, cool. Lovely. Well, good luck today.
I remember tears streaming down your face when I said I'll never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your light. I remember you said don't leave me here alone. But all that's dead and gone and past tonight. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. One morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. La, la, you'll be alright. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound.
Brothers 3, that was spine-tingling.
Thank you so much.
There is something so beautiful when siblings perform together, and oh man, your family must be so proud.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Awesome. So good.
Guys, at this age, what, 16, 17, 18? Oh, God, you were channeling the mamas and the papas. Just that vibe. Australia needs a band like Brothers 3, let me tell you.
Thank you.
Brothers 3, it's like folk, country, pop. Love it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I love the singing, the guitar playing, the harmonies, but what I love most about you guys is your personalities. You know, some people come up there, they're all technical and they sing and they're boring. You guys are ridiculous. And I love that. All right.
Oh my God, let's vote. Well, I'm going to kick it off. It's a yes from me.
Thank you.
Groups got very exciting. It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
Brothers 3, it's a yes from me. Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes.
Group hug. Let's go, group hug. Hi, guys.
My legs are shaking. I'm like,
Oh, they are shaking.
4 judges gave us a standing ovation. Like, that is amazing. Like, we could never... Yeah, we would never have thought anything like that. That's amazing.
Woo! Skip, skip, skip.
Yay! Yeah! Boo gas! Yes! Yes!